Welcome back to another shop vlog. Today we are fully upgrading or replacing the hot end on my Prusa Mark III because Francis had a major oopsie. And yes, I named my Mark III Francis. I feel like this camera never focuses. Oh, and if you heard that, it is now thundering outside. I guess these videos will kind of also serve as an update to what's been going on in the 2 weeks between I'm uploading. So I'm trying to do this new schedule on this channel where I upload every 2 weeks a normal length video, like a normal video. Before I tried uploading every week, and that was during like full-time undergrad, and yeah, I failed. I think I lasted like a month and then I fell off. So we're gonna try again, this time a more feasible deadline. 2 weeks. So in terms of other updates, not really much. I do want to say thank you to all the love on the last video I posted about my job as a 3D printing technician. I did that job as co-op and part-time throughout my 3rd and 4th year of undergrad, and I wasn't expecting that video to do as well as it did. Welcome to all the new people on my channel. I promise good videos are coming soon. This one is just kind of like a filler episode to the stuff I have in the works. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for being here. On a non-YouTube front, my parts came in from the printed forward program for Voron, so I got red and blue ABS parts, the functional components for a Voron 2.4 build, which is actually what you see back here, all the guts. We have like the belts, all the bolts and knickknacks, and the control boards and everything for a Voron 2.4, which I have subjectively the sickest theme planned for that. So stay tuned. I did order the kit with the panels, and I am so excited to do some cool art on those panels to fit the theme. That's about it for my minor updates. Let's get to fixing that hot end because it needs help. It needs some major TLC. So this is about where in the assembly I realized I purchased the wrong heater cartridge. So I believe that the Prusa machines use a 40-watt heater cartridge at 24 volts, meaning according to the E3D instruction set, I should have read a resistance of around 14.4 ohms. But as you can see, I got around 19.4, 19.5, which matched to the 30 watts. So I was super worried that the cartridge wouldn't heat the nozzle hot enough for the materials I use, like ABS, PETG, and TPU, but googling it, 30 watts at 24 volts, even you can do the math for that. It should get the hot end to around 300 degrees Celsius. I already don't print any higher than that, so happy accident, everything turned out fine. I just ended up with a 10 watt weaker heater cartridge.